Hello, this is August. I'm here with Idra. We had just arrived at our favorite inn in Oregon, Wolf Creek Inn. It's a historic inn that was founded in 1883 and has been continuously operating since then. I'm going to take a walk around, show you a few things. There's the main inn. They love to decorate for, there's Idra, love to decorate for Halloween. There's my car. And they have really nice grounds here. So let's take a look around a little bit. This is the side of the inn here. As you can see, they have decorations out.
This would be great tonight.
I'll try to post pictures or video of nighttime, but it has this big grassy area on the side of the inn, and we're walking back. There's Idra again, walking back to their little patio area. Yeah. And you wait till you see this. And here's the side of the building in the back. And here we go. This is the patio area. As you can see, they have decorated it as well for Halloween. Okay, we're in the front parlor. You could hang out here while you're visiting. And as you can see, it's really beautifully decorated with period furniture and a really nice fireplace and some old furniture here. And they always do a good job of decorating for the holidays. As you can see, it's decorated for Halloween right now. This is the front entry, and this door leads to the dining area, but they're only open in the dining area Thursday through Sunday, and this is a Wednesday. Okay, I'm walking towards the stairs that lead you upstairs where our rooms are. There's this first hallway has four rooms, and you have to take the stairs up. This is the upstairs dining and rec room. As you see, this is decorated, and I always leave out some goodies for people the guests to have, and a little kitchen area. You can make hot coffee, hot tea, cocoa, and these are all the notes that people have left over the years, thanking the owners of the inn. Here's this rec room. You could hang out here, eat, play chess. And this is upper gallery and the stairs down to the front. I'm heading towards our room. It's this way. The top floor. And there's 4 rooms up here. So there's 8 rooms that people could stay in. And we're in room 6 today. Right here.
How many stayed in all the rooms before?
We have stayed pretty much in almost every room here. And this is our room. I think it's really neat. And so they have period furniture in here. And here's our bedroom, and there's our bed, and there's a chair in there, and a old nightstand, and a nice little bathroom in here. We always find it very comfortable.